Hello, I found out there are several information resources are not very accurate. But when combine all the information into one, the information became more complete and accurate. So this is my objective, just try to combine some information. The key information I taken from Asia Defense. I will put their link in there to just they should get the credit. In the meantime, I found out that the Asia Defense does not give out accurate information on certain area. For example, on Mykolaiv area, the Russian army actually has a very good control. Let's go to a little bit of detail. So you can see from the outskirts of the Mykolaiv, Russian basically control the outside highway, and they are all connected together. There are some fights from Ukraine side, but I think Russian already get all the outside control. Russian also have started very heavy fighting near the airport and also started artillery assault, like bomb the city in certain areas. So there is heavy fighting right now. But on the overall, on the southern front, the south of Dnieper River, the Russian has full control, almost total control. Everything is cleared. On the eastern side, near the Mariupol, we can see the information. Asia Defense gave very good information here, very accurate, up to the detail to each village. So in the defense here, progressing here is very good, very fast for the Russian, because in here there is not much defense. The defense already there was a defense line around Mariupol to north, but this one already been broken. So there is no time to make a new defense around here. So the Ukraine army either withdraw to the north or get into Mariupol. I think there is quite some army inside Mariupol. Mariupol also has a military base, so I would consider this is very difficult because see, the Russian full control on the air. The Ukraine may have some missile, but the distance is only 2 or 3 kilometers. To the tank or to the airplane. So if Russians fly very high, they still have full control of the air. They haven't bombed too much, but I think once the fight get difficult, they will start more bomb. So, but in the city, there is high-rise building, there is civilian. Russian will find it very difficult to go to big city. I think Mariupol is one case. Relatively speaking, Mariupol is not as big as Kiev or the Kharkiv, so it should be relatively easy. And also, there is no water, no electricity, no heating. I think Mariupol will be overcome by the Russian in a few days. That's very likely. And also, north of the Mariupol, there is not much defense, no big city, so the Russians should push north very easily. Eventually, will surround the Kramatorsk area. There is a big army in this area. There's a military base in this area. So this area to the north is relatively have a big fight going on. The Mariupol already been surrounded by the 3 sides, so this one should be overcome after several days. It's a medium-sized city. It's not a big problem for Russian. Russian also get connected almost to the Kharkiv defense area. Although Ukraine army have a offensive operation to the north, to the southeast of the Kharkiv. So there's also a military base around the Kharkiv. So there is a big fight going on and a very strong defense from Ukraine side. Let's go to the Kyiv area. The Kyiv area, to the west, there is strong military presence by the Ukraine. Ukraine also have a strong military presence on the south. They don't have much military on the east across the Dnieper River. So the east, the Russian already closed the loop. So the east side should progress very quickly to the south. I think the situation on the Kharkiv, and the Kyiv is very difficult because there is heavy fighting going on, but there is lots of population, lots of high-rise building. The airplane don't have much usage in big city, and the tank is not much usage in the big city. The Western supplied missile is very useful for defending big cities. So I think it would be very difficult on the Kyiv and the Kharkiv. But over surrounding to the east, Russian, and also from the south, the Russians should progress very well. There is U.S. military general. He say Russia is not focused on the battle. They should not. I guess he implies they should not go to the west of the Dnieper River, and should not consider Kyiv as too much of importance. He thinks that the Russians should just occupy to the east of the Dnieper River and also south to the Odessa. These are the economically important and also strategically very important area. And also it's not too difficult as Kyiv. So that's the, and also he thinks that the Russian was too timid, not very forceful, not very strong, not very robust in terms of use their heavy military, probably because of civilian worry. The Russians probably don't want to kill Russians living in the Ukraine, I guess. But anyway, I will put some link down the video, and there is also a very good lecture about the Ukraine, Russian, U.S. relation by a Chicago University of Chicago professor. I also put the video together with this video together. You can see looking for the video. Thanks. Bye.